Topo Maps Plus comes with trail data from the OpenStreetMap. Simply tap on the map icon, select your current map, and you can use this to toggle it on and off. When you have the trail data overlaying the map, you can more easily see the trails as you zoom out. And then when you zoom in, you can select the trails to get information about them. Simply tap on the map and pick the trail you want to look at. Here is Swift Current Pass Trail. I can move the crosshairs down here on the elevation to see distances and elevations between different points on the trail. Let's take a look at another trail. Here's the Highline Trail. And once again, I get an elevation profile for this trail, and I can check out the different elevation distances and elevation profiles between different points on this trail. I can also rename trails, or I can change their colors or other properties of the trail. Say I want to change this trail to be red, and now I can have this trail be a red trail on my map.